And for obvious reasons, a lot of focus was on December 10th, but we had a very active fall, a big tornado outbreak back in this, October last year. And of course, then you saw multiple waves of severe weather as well into the month of December. No severe weather out there, though, this morning. Just a lot of clouds, occasionally maybe some sprinkles, some patchy drizzle. Right now, most of that has been focused out across western Kentucky. You can see that light blue there from Paducah southward to Murray. If you're doing traveling on I-69, you'll see some of that. Farther northward, though, just a lot of clouds, a lot of gray skies right now across much of southern Illinois. Again, most of the showers have been focused through Kentucky and parts of northwest Tennessee. Continuing to track a few more showers just to the south of our region out across West Tennessee, Jackson back over towards Memphis. Notice a lot of that rain, though, is tracking eastward, so actually moving away from us. We may see a couple of isolated showers from that, but otherwise expecting a pretty quiet afternoon. If you're in southern Illinois, dry conditions expected today. Once again, some of our southern counties, Kentucky, Tennessee, could see a couple isolated showers. High temperatures, though, today with the low clouds. We're only going to be into the mid-40s, so it's going to be a pretty cool afternoon. Notice a couple showers still lingering around into the evening hours. Union City to Martin, Tennessee, maybe up to about Murray, Kentucky. Northward still dry, though, out across southern Illinois. Looking ahead to Tuesday, afternoon, temperatures are going to be warmer. We're going to be back into the mid-50s. Warm front lifts northward, and notice as a disturbance approaches from the west, we will likely see an increase in the amount of showers we're going to see. I still think Tuesday is not a washout by any means, but a better chance for a little bit of wet weather on the way Tuesday and Wednesday. Checking in right now, there's the gray skies out there. 43 outside our studio doors here in Carterville, 43 in Mount Vernon. Keep your eyes peeled. You may see some undulatus or asparagus clouds. Gives that wave effect into the sky, just an indication we've got a lot of wind shear in the atmosphere this morning. 43 in Metropolis and 44 currently in Carbondale. Very active pattern setting up, though, this week, and it will bring some beneficial rains eventually to pretty much the entire region. A warm front right now to our south is going to begin lifting northward over the next couple of days, and then that front stalls out. As we look ahead to Tuesday evening, there's that disturbance we're talking about, bringing the increase in showers, maybe even a few rumbles of thunder, especially Tuesday evening, Tuesday night, and then the cold front settles south once again. So Wednesday, southern Illinois mostly dry, but starting to see some of the rain once again, northeast Arkansas, northwest Tennessee, and parts of western Kentucky. But then we look ahead to Thursday, another disturbance brings that front northward, and that brings more rain. Thursday right now looks to be the wettest day in our forecast through this entire week. So some scattered showers pretty likely Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday evening. Wednesday, there's going to be a lot of dry time. The showers will be focused in some of our southern counties, and then on Thursday, we are anticipating widespread rain to return back in the region. Friday looks like a dry day, but here we go. This is the next 2 days, so that would take us through today and tomorrow. We're thinking a half an inch to an inch, say Murray back over towards Martin, Tennessee. Notice, though, rainfall amounts much lighter the farther north you go. 1/10 of an inch, maybe to 1/4 of an inch tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. Now, if we take this out to the end of the week, this includes Thursday, the wettest day of the week. We're talking about a half an inch to an inch in some of our northern counties, and the rain gets heavier and heavier the farther south you go. Along the Ohio River, 1 to 2 inches of rain, and then near the Kentucky-Tennessee line, we're thinking more in the way of 2 to 3 with some isolated totals, maybe up to about 4 inches. So some beneficial rain is in the forecast. Just give it some time. But again, a couple isolated showers today, otherwise quite a bit of dry time, just lots of clouds, and really sunshine, there's not going to be much of it this week at all. Some showers on the way for Tuesday. Again, the chance goes down just a bit Wednesday, and then ramps back up Thursday. Thursday, a complete washout looking like for much of our region. Eventually, this cold front does work its way back south on Friday, brings a dry day on Friday, but then we look ahead to the weekend. Another chance for a few isolated showers with highs only in the upper 40s. Brooke, it could be worse. We could be talking about snow.
We could be, but earlier you said you were wanting some sunshine, and I thought you were going to say that you were wanting a nap, because that's exactly how I'm feeling today.
Yeah, I'd just go for some sunshine at this point, that's for sure.
All right, sounds good. Thanks, Nick.